My name's Matthias, and I specialize in hand and upper extremity surgery. I went to medical school at Vanderbilt University, and I did my orthopedic residency at the University of Wisconsin in Madison, Wisconsin. Then I returned to Florida to do my hand and upper extremity fellowship. I am board certified by the American Board of Orthopedic Surgeons, and I have what's called Certificate of Added Qualification in hand and upper extremity. I really treat all conditions of the upper extremity. The conditions that patients suffer from are highly variable in the upper extremity, including arthritis, trauma, fractures, nerve-related problems, really the whole gamut. When I think about how I approach a patient, I think there's really two facets to it. One is it's the problem-solving nature of it. And in many ways, I feel like what I do is kind of detective work, right? From the history and physical of the patient, which is really the hallmark in the way we continue to solve problems, but also the way that I interact with the patients. I really try to treat every patient like I would treat someone in my family and try to focus on that type of care for the patient. The most rewarding part of my job is solving problems, is returning someone who has a problem, is not able to do the things they want to do, and be able to get them back to their normal life. I think what sets Florida Orthopedic Institute apart is, first of all, everyone is specialized, everyone is fellowship trained and focuses on their area of expertise, so that when you come in with a specific problem, the physician who's treating you, that's their specialty, that's all that they do. And I think the other thing that sets Florida Orthopedic Institute apart is you're always going to get the highest level of care here.